how to get rid of the appearance of annoying ads in Google Play Store. If you're experiencing annoying ads and notifications from certain apps, then here's how to solve the problem. First, you need to open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with notifications and control center. And from there, you need to go with apps and make sure that do not disturb option is turned off. After that, go back, scroll down and tap on apps and select the app that is bothering you. Like for example, you can go with Play Store, tap on it, tap on Google Play Store, go with Clear Data, which will be on the bottom right, and then go with Clear Cache. And after clearing your cache, you need to go back. If this doesn't fix your problem, then your phone may have been infected with virus or spyware. In that case, you should download an antivirus app to your phone to eliminate the annoying ads. Or if you've previously installed any application from your Google Play Store, then that application might be giving you ads. So you just need to simply go and uninstall the latest downloaded application on your device, and after deleting the application, your problem might be fixed. Many applications which contain games on Play Store brings ads to your phone. So make sure to uninstall it, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.